Okay, this is part 2 to Lake Mead Recreation Park, and this is called Boulder Lake, Boulder Beach. And check this out, guys. I just want you to see this. The water is blue. The beach is, it's a little rocky. It's pretty. It costs $20 to get into the park, but it's 7 days you can stay. So look at this water. And then all around, I'm just going to show you, are these red rock mountains. So I'm going to give you this panoramic view all the way around. It is so beautiful. It's not crowded here. Mostly families. And there are all kinds of boats and jet skis and kayaks. It's I don't even know the words for it. I got to show you this part over here. Check this out. Wait a minute, let me get past the RV. And you don't think I stick out like a sore thumb? Look at this. Gorgeous. Okay, Lake Mead, just at the basin, I think, of Hoover Dam, Boulder Beach. Look at the water. Can you see that? Gorgeous. $20. You come 7 days. It goes for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. And there's all kinds of things to do here. So treat yourself, bring your family, bring your loved ones. And remember, I'm here to remember those that we have lost that have protected and served our country. God bless.